Welcome to Python How To series. Today in this tutorial, let's see how to download and install Python on Windows. And also, we will learn how to find Python location in our system. Let's begin. To download and install Python on our system, first open your browser. And here in the address bar, type python.org. It will take us to Python official website. And here, go to downloads. And here you can see download Python install manager. In the previous tutorial, we used Python install manager to download and install Python on Windows. Today, we'll use another method, that is, we'll use standalone installer. So I'll click on this. Download begins. After completing downloading process, next step is we need to install Python on Windows. For that, here you can see in the downloads this file, .exe file, and here you can see open file option. Click on that. Now here you can see install Python 3.14.3, that is the latest version available here, 64-bit. Select install now to install Python with default settings, or choose customize to enable or disable features. Now here you can click on this install now option. It includes IDLE, pip and documentation, create shortcuts and file associations. Or you can go to customize installation and here you can select different features. So here I'll use this install now. Before clicking on this, I need to click here, add python.exe to path. In Windows, path is an environment variable that allows Python programs to run from any folder without specifying their full path. So here we need to click on this option and now we are ready to install. Click on this. Setup progress. Wait patiently. Okay, now we are done. So now we can close this. We are done with second step, that is installation. The next step is to verify the Python is properly installed on our system. To do this, here in the Windows search bar, type Python. And here you can see Python app as well as IDLE and documentation, manuals and all. So this means Python installation is successful. Next, let's verify that Python has been added to the path successfully. For this, we need to open command prompt and here let's check Python version. Python space -- version. Click on this. If you get Python and a number, this is the version installed in our system now. Then it means Python is successfully added to path. And you can check for pip also. Pip space -- version. And here you can see. Okay, so this is how we can download and install Python on Windows. Next, let's see how to find Python location on Windows. We can do this in different ways. First method is very simple. Open the command prompt and here you need to type where Python. Done. And here you can see the Python location. If Python is added to path, it is very easy to find its location. We can use where Python and we'll get its location easily. But if Python is not added to path, this method won't work. And the second method is we can use sys module. And for that, we can use IDLE or command prompt also. Here we need to import sys first. Then here we need to type sys executable. We need to use executable attribute. And here you can see the location. You can use print function also. We'll get clear output like this. Okay, this is the second method. And the third method is we need to go to the Windows search bar and type Python. In this side, we can see open file location. Click on this. And here we can see Python 3.14 64-bit. Right click on this and here we'll get open file location. Then if you go to the address bar here, this is our Python location. We can use this method to find Python location when Python is not added to path. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.